Hi, this is Padmaja of Lisha Women's Wing. As you know, there are a series of workshops by Lisha Women's Wing on personal grooming and many more other topics. I'm here going to tell you about saving your time and money and going to a goldsmith. So these simple tips can really save our time. And as you know that the gold jewelry should be sparkling and shining, sometimes exposure to air, dust and dirt, especially perfumes, can also dull your favorite pieces and they can make it look very gleam. With simple techniques like this can really shine and sparkle our jewelry. Are you ready? Come, let's go over. Okay, I have kept all the things ready for you. My first ingredient would be cooking soda, which is also a bicarbonate of soda. Then the cleaning solution. You should keep a very soft cloth for wiping the jewelry after cleaning. So there it is. It's always good to have kitchen towels where you can just, after cleaning, you can soak it for some time. So this is the kitchen towel. The main one is aluminum foil, so which can be used as a main thing while cleaning the silver jewelry. This is the silver foil. I've kept some soft kitchen towels again. Then a simple thing which can be found in any home is toothbrush. So this is the toothbrush. We can be using it to clean the jewelry. The other one is salt. So we can use even toothpaste. So all these can be used. I've already taken bowl, which I have wrapped it with silver foil. It has to be like this. I'm going to pour hot water into it and cooking soda, and you can see how it bubbles out. So all these things are ready. I'm going to put some hot water and see how the chemical change is going to happen. Can see the chemical change. See how it bubbles up. Need to put some jewelry in it, and we'll soak it for some 5 to 10 minutes. So I have all this silver jewelry. I've taken some anklets, rings and chains. So let's see. Let it soak for 5 to 10 minutes. We'll come back again on it again. So I have mentioned about the house staples which can be used for gold cleaning. So apart from that, I have few more which can be used for cleaning gold and silver jewelry. Bicarbonate of soda, cooking soda. Do you know that a can of beer can clean the jewelry too? So there is again the isotonic water, which is soda water, which can be used and can be poured in a cup of or a bowl of hot water. Along with that, soda can also clean up the jewelry. And I have here the vinegar, which can be used for cleaning too. We have vodka, we have ketchup. Yeah, these are the other house staples which can be easily gotten from our kitchen and can be easily available. So make use of all these items and clean up your jewelry. So there goes again all the house staples which can be gotten right from our kitchen. Hi there, then I'm right in my kitchen, ready to show you how to clean your silver jewelry. So I have boiled the hot water. It's all ready now. I have taken my very old tarnished silver jewelry. So these are the silver items. You can see how much of tarnish it has on itself because of air and pollution. So I'm going to put all this. I have cooking soda, which I'm going to put 2 or 3 scoops in it. So apart from that, I have my this is my silver foil, which is the main thing which is going to go inside. So I have this silver roll. I'm going to tear them in pieces and to put them inside. I'm going to put some scoops of cooking soda. See how the chemical change is happening again here. I'm going to put my silver jewelry. So these are the aluminum foil. I've tore them in small pieces and kept right inside. Taking out the excess water. Make sure it's dried well, and we'll leave it here. In case if you think that it's still not gone, you can just rub it. Yeah, there it is. look at this now. All my silver jubilee has come out so well. Okay. I had soaked earlier the anklets and all this, right? So look at this. Look at the shine. See the shine. It's lovely. It's sparkling. Yeah. So there goes my beautiful. Yeah, I'm displaying them. See the shine and sparkle on the gemstones even. You can try this at your home too. Try it at home and it's very simple, easy. Get all the ingredients which I had mentioned and it's really shining. Look at this. Look at the jewelry. Silver. I hope you will also practice and do all this regularly. Okay, after soaking it for 10 minutes in salt, cooking soda, dishwashing liquid, I'm finally taking out my jewelry, the gold jewelry. Look at the shine, look at the way it has come out, all my jewelry. So wait, I'm going to just clean it and dab it in a tissue. Make sure that no water is left. The moisture has to be completely taken away. It has to be dried well. So yeah, there it goes. Oh, look at this, look at this, the way. It well. Look at the shine of this. Look at this. So I've kept some nice boxes where you can store your jewelry. The way my bracelet has come out so well, sparkling and shining. All can be stored well, dried and kept it. Almost done. If you have these pouches You can leave your jewelry also inside. Once it's dried well, you can use this beautiful jewelry next time. And before any event or occasion, you don't have to really look for and waste your time if it is dirty. So you just keep it in such beautiful pouches, all ready for your next event to try it on. So okay, there goes my silver jewelry, which is washed and well dried. It's ready. It's sparkling, so clean and neat without any tarnish. I can use for my pujas and functions anytime now. So these are the jewelry. So I hope you liked my video, and do subscribe to Lisha Women's Wing YouTube channel. Like our page on Facebook, and do subscribe. Don't forget. Hope you like our videos.